Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. But make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. If you guys want to see how I create this look, this is not that video. Watch the previous one. Today we're going to go through some color context. This is from Just4Kira, and a representative reached out to me and I couldn't turn it up. You guys know from a lot of my old looks, especially really creative looks like this one, color context absolutely just bring the look out and make it pop. I personally don't wear color context every single day, and if you watch my other videos, they were just for looks and not prescription. These babies are. So we're gonna try some of these on, take a look at how big of a difference it makes for the look, and let's see if these are actual really natural looking or just for fun for Halloween, because you guys know Halloween, that's my thing. But if you're ready to get into these colored contacts for fashion, for looks, for Halloween, for every day maybe, keep on watching. Because I wear contacts for every day, I just popped out my regular contacts and prescription, and we're gonna get into this. So right now everything's a little blurry. Hopefully I don't mess up the rest of my face. I did not take my pictures yet, but let's try these. I have 4 color. That's my puppy. My dog is out here acting crazy. So here are the contacts. They do recommend you soak them for more comfortable wear 8 hours before in the solution. Not the solution comes with. I'm a veteran with contacts, so I know that I don't really need that for comfortable wear, but we're going to get into it. So it does come with instructions. Here's how they look. Fancy. I think the packaging is really nice. Each come with a case and an applicator just to help you put the contacts on if this is your first time. They have left and right. I need left and right. Both my eyes are different prescriptions, so yeah. But you guys have seen a few colors from me on this channel, so I don't think I'm going to go through all 4. I don't know. We'll see. I'll do my best. But the colors that I think will be really cool, we can try them. Let's start with Echo Green. I don't know. I don't even remember what these look like, but I do have my prescription on the side, so make sure you take note of that. If you do wear prescription lenses, if not, you can just get regular ones. If you do wear prescription, you want to wear them with your glasses, that's an option too. So just keep all, what is my puppy doing? Just keep all of that in mind. And I'm just going to make sure I have this on standby to put them in when I am done. I apologize for the sounds. I don't know what my let me put him out. Sorry. We're back. So this one is actually for my left eye. I'm going to, yeah, again, I do this. Only thing I recommend, I've never used the applicator, so I can't tell you that, but you're really going to want to get your lashes out of the way. Be careful with your makeup. When I used to use liquid lipsticks in my waterline, I used to get on my contacts all the time. Now for my regular lenses, I just wear like 1 a days. So that's what I just tossed the other one. Oh my God. First of all, this is sealed, okay? Because I'm struggling. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I do not have a mirror. And I should have had a mirror. Let's try to use the camera, even though I can't see. So for me, okay, we have one on. Oh, for me, I always have to like, I don't want to mess up my makeup. They're both in, I don't know if you guys can see the difference. I think it's very natural looking. I don't think they look like contacts at all, like from afar. I think this is the Echo Green, and I think because there's like hints of like hazel, it just gives like a great, like, it's so nice. I really like it. It looks really good. and I can see. So that's always a plus. For me, it just takes a little bit of time for certain contacts to adjust. I do have astigmatism. So if you have contacts with astigmatism, you know that the bottom is a little bit thicker so that it can like realign, because it has to be a certain way. So if you try these contacts and there's no option for your astigmatism, which would be like usually like a larger lens, you're gonna have to go ahead and rotate them. But I think it looks so good. All right, so now I'm going to try on. I'm going to take these off real quick just so we can do it off camera. What's this? Oh, let's try this blue. I don't know what it is. It's the SL70 blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. These are the blue. I think they look really good. They're very bright. These not as natural as the Echo green ones. I guess there's not enough other colors. I don't know, but I do like them. Again, very comfortable. These, I personally would use them only for looks, or only for looks for like that wow factor. I don't know yet how it'll translate in photos, but for me, this would be like a really cool blue look, or I just want something to pop in that look, but definitely would use this for Halloween. I like them. I like them, but like as far as natural and wearing them every day, probably definitely wouldn't do these. I have another pair, but I do really like them. Next, I will try. You guys know I have the Vision Gray. I wear gray contacts a lot, so I'll just try these on just to see how they look. But I'm going to save the Echo Hazel for last, because I feel like those may actually turn out to be the most natural looking, and I'm excited to see them. So I'm going to pop these in. Here are the gray. I love how these look. Keep in mind that I do have, oh my gosh, the water on my eye. I'm trying not to mess up my makeup, but keep in mind that my eyes are pretty dark brown. They're literally like a milk chocolate brown. So this does give really, really good coverage. It is really comfortable. I would probably have liked it to be like a little bit of darker gray, just because, but I think these still look more natural than the blue. And I'm gonna put on the hazel last, but I think I might have to run this one back from my photos because I think it looks really good. And I miss my gray. I miss my gray so much. All right, last but not least, the Echo Hazel. Okay, I'm not mad, but I don't think it's my favorite. I do like that the lenses actually use, like, it looks like to have some spaces on the iris part to show some of your natural eye color, and I think that's cool. So these may look a little different on you depending on what color your natural eye is, and I think that's cool. Maybe that's the same thing with the Echo Green, if that's what the Echo is, but right now, like, I'm not mad. Little, I don't know. Maybe it's a little too close for my skin for my liking. Like, if I was a little bit more brown, I'd be one of those scary people that had like the same eye, same hair, same everything when they bleach it, but I don't mind it. I think I like it. I don't know how natural it actually looks, but I don't know. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Wait, hold up. Did you like the video? I'll give you a minute. But go ahead, like the video. Tell me what contacts, what color you like. Do you want to try any of these? If so, you can use ARiiE20 for 20% off. It'll be on the screen. I'll also link it down in the description. It is an affiliate code, so I do receive a little bit of coin if you want to try it, but there is absolutely no pressure. But if you like them, go ahead. I think, listen, honestly, I should be working on my Halloween shenanigans right now. So these contacts are right on time. Help me figure out what I want to do. You guys know I'm a little bit weird, and sometimes color contacts absolutely help with the look. I don't know. These are kind of growing on me. Again, you can use my code ARiiE20 for 20% off. Will also be in the description box below. I'll also put the names and link to all of the lenses that I have tried today. And that's gonna be just a quick video. Okay, I'm telling you guys, I'm keeping it rolling. If there's anything else you'd like me to try, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. But if you haven't already, first follow me on Instagram. Stop playing. Do that for me. Thank you. And gotcha. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork Crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.